One brother from another mother, sister from another mister. It's a beautiful day, and woke up to a windshield chip that I wasn't expecting, and I gotta repair it before it starts spreading. Last time I avoided that on my Beamer, and it spread across the whole windshield, and do not avoid those kind of cracks because it will spread, especially in wintertime. So here is the little chip, and it's already starting to kind of hair out. This right over here, if you can see. I'm gonna patch it. I got a patching kit from Amazon. See how it goes. And here's the kit. Basic idea is you put this in suction against the windshield, put the solution in through this, and you let it sit there for 10 minutes or so. Okay, so it's in there, and now gotta just wait for 10 minutes. While I wait, I might as well just clean up these leaves. Huh? What's going on?
Do you have to get in the camper?
No, you don't have to get in the camper, but I was preparing it.
Is that so crazy? I'm running backwards.
Yep. Here's one of the blade of the two that was provided. I'm just gonna scrape it off. And additional residue here, scrape those off. The hairline over here is still there. I'm not sure if it's filled in. So I'm gonna put more solution and then plastic flap on it, let it sit. Hopefully that will do some additional filling. We'll see. So here's the result after scraping and cleaning up. I would say it's about 80% in. So there you have it, not bad. It got 80% in my opinion, and did a pretty good job. So if you need a kit to repair a chip on your windshield, I'd recommend this product. Check it out in the description. Make sure to use the isopropyl alcohol. Does a really good job, clean up the residue that's left behind even after scraping. And yeah, so good luck.